Hello, in this video we're gonna perform the speed test between the INFINIX Zero X Pro and the Redmi Note 14S. Alright, so we're gonna perform and see how both of the phone works, which one is faster when it comes, for example, to opening the apps or, I don't know, refresh rate. So simply, in the beginning, I will check the possible refresh rate. So on both the phones, I'm gonna select the custom. I'm gonna select the maximum one. It's on the Redmi, it's 120, and on the INFINIX, it will be also, as I remember, it will be also 120. Screen refresh rate 120. And now both of the devices are working with the same speed. So when it comes to to moving around the device, you can see the differences. When it comes to that, you can see that I'm shuffling left to the right, and there are no big differences. Same thing when it comes to the opening the recent apps. I will try to now open the settings at the same time, and you can see that there are no big differences if you take a look on that. And now I can exit the settings, I think. Now let's try open some apps at the same time. So for example, let's open up the phone in the beginning. So I tapped at the same time. Maybe the INFINIX was a little bit faster, but there are no big differences. They are around, I don't know, half second or even less. So that's not big deal, I would say. Now let's open up the camera. Again, the time is almost the same. Now let's open up the browser. Okay, again, the INFINIX maybe was maybe a half second faster, but there are no big differences when it comes to that. Now I have the apps that I downloaded earlier. It's Geekbench and 3D Mark, and because I was performing the benchmark test between those phones, if you want to know what were the results, you can check the video on our channel. So now I'll open the Geekbench. Okay, again, really similar. And now the 3D Mark. And again, the differences are really small. Okay, again, let's open up the recent apps. Oh, maybe not on each phone, but in here I will get rid of everything. Now, for example, also when it comes to the scrolling of the device, it's really similar. Everything opens at the same time and with the same speed, and there are no big differences. They are barely seeable with the bare eye. So when it comes to to day-to-day using of these devices, you won't see any differences. And now, as the last experiment, which I think will be the most accurate, we're gonna simply restart the phone and we will see which one will be turned on faster. So I'm gonna open up the power menu on both of the devices. Okay, I don't know why the... Okay, now it works. Now I'm gonna slide into the reboot, and now I'm gonna tap on the restart. Oh, actually I need to hold, which is pretty weird thing. So now let's hold. Okay, So let's see which phone will be restarted faster. Of course, I restarted the Redmi a little bit before than I did on the INFINIX, because I didn't know that I need to hold the restart button. Okay, now the Redmi is ready to work. Okay, we can fully use our device now. And now the INFINIX also is ready to use. I think the INFINIX was a little bit faster, but just to make sure, let's perform that test once more. I need to open the power menu first. Alright. And now I'm gonna drag into the reboot. Now I'm gonna hold the restart. And now release at the same time. Okay, that was almost... I think on the Redmi I did it a little more, a little bit slower. But let's see what will happen. Okay, so you can see on the Redmi that it was still loading. When I released the finger, the INFINIX logo already showed up. Okay, now we have the Redmi logo. And I think that the INFINIX will be faster than the Redmi. So let's wait. Okay, INFINIX is already ready to use. I can unlock it. Alright, and the Xiaomi is still running. Okay, and now it's ready to use. So when it comes to the restarting of the phone, the INFINIX was faster in that test. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.